To shape the wire, we're going to take a thick piece of poster board and shape it into a triangle cone shape. Then take packing tape to give it a lot of extra support and make it very durable. Take 19 gauge wire and begin wrapping the wire around the cone. 19 gauge can be a bit stiff to get started. Wrap the wire tightly to the cone to form a good-looking Christmas tree shape. Once you've finished wrapping it to the cone, pull it off and reshape any odd-looking spots. Take a triangle treat bag and put about 15 chocolates inside. I used Lindt chocolates because they're yummy. Tie off the end with wire or a twist tie. Cut off the end of the treat bag. Place the tree-shaped wire over the treat bag and tape or glue the end of the wire to the bottom of the bag. Take a mason jar lid and glue it to the bottom of the bag. Make sure things are looking straight before that glue hardens. Take plastic gems and hot glue them interspersed around the wire tree. Choose a variety of colors to look like ornaments, or stick with a simple color scheme. I cut out a fancy star with my Cricut machine, then glue it to the top. And there you have it, a fancy candy Christmas tree to give as a gift. If you want to see more Christmas craft videos, like and subscribe, or check out shimmerblast.com.